Yo, bro, so today we're going to be painting. Ooh, a Free Fire character? Really? Okay, so let me tell you the story. Today I was playing Uno when someone challenged me to draw a Free Fire character. Really, I don't want to do it, but let's do it. Oh yeah! First, let us do the sketch. Oh yeah, I love it. Oh no, ooh, disgusting. Okay, my sketch is done and now it's time to ink it with guess what? Guess what? Oh yeah, the fine liner. Guys, don't forget to shake the fine liner before you use it. Okay, now I'm gonna listen to some sexy song, to get sex lines. Oh yeah, boy. Oh, do you get the sex lines, brothers? Thumbs up for the fine liner. Now guys, I need more light to draw the ultra sexy lines. Oh yeah. Guys, I'm feeling a bit thirsty, so lemonade time. Wee! Oh yeah, straight from the tree, boy. I think you know how to do this part. Nice. So my brothers, let's get back to work. Okay guys, I always start with the face to make it prettier. I'm just gonna be using all the colors I got. Oh yeah, face is done, so now let's move with the rest. Oh yeah, all the details matter, you know what I mean? Okay guys, now let me show you how to make paint water to get more energy. Oh yeah, yellow bang. Okay guys, I will finish this in 2 minutes, hang on. Oh wait, this thing is really delicious. So, I've got an idea. Let me read some jokes. By the way, that's all I read. Oh yeah. Whew, guys, now I feel much better. So now let's get it over with. Ooh, it's actually coming up better than I ever expected, guys. Yeah, and now guys, let me bring those ultra sexy line, boys. Oh